sir. Now, we're a little tired, but we out beating the bushes. We're out combing the neighborhoods. We're out getting the message out. That basically that I'm the man for the job. That I'm gonna be firm but fair. My wife's been with me. We've been out to churches. We've been out to schools. We met with a lot of different parties and factions. So we're just ready to exhale and let the Lord do what He do on Tuesday.
Okay, we got a lot of people listening to us right now. So right now, while you're listening to Eternally, please tell everybody where to go because they're gonna want to get some more information on you. So where they need to go find you at right now?
You can look me up on my website is leeplace3.com. That's leeplace3.com. I'm on Facebook and also on Twitter. You will be seeing several commercials come out on Channel 13, and you'll hear other radio broadcasts. But to go in and get a little bit more information and in-depth information, we have a website that covers me from where I come from to where I've been and possibly to where I'm going.
Okay, Attorney, I want to ask you this question now. Why did you decide to run? You know it's tough. You know it ain't easy out here for a politician or a judge running for judge. Why did you decide to put yourself, your family through this rigorous process?
Well, sir, I believe and I know that I can make a difference. You know, you sit on the sideline and you just complain about this and you complain about that. But if you don't ever get in the game, or coach don't put you in the game, you'll never be able to make a difference on the sideline. So I really know after being a police officer and being a defense attorney and sitting as a special judge that maybe this was my calling. I prayed about it for a while, and me and my wife talked about it, but a lot of other people around said, Sandy Lee, you have the demeanor to really be a good judge. We like what you do, we like what you say, and we know that you're a straight up guy and you're honest. As long as we don't lie to you, we all right.
Yeah, we learned that, but let's go a little bit into that right there because last night as we was talking on my show, you told me that everybody stands a fair chance, but it's one thing that you do not like, and what is it?
I do not like people that try to come in and like pull the wool over somebody's eyes, as they say. I don't like people that try to come in and other attorneys that try to come in and just try to work the system. You know, I believe that the victim should be really taken care of, and also the defendant's rights should be protected. But we're so politically correct, and the judges are so scared that if they give this type sentence or that type sentence to someone, that they're gonna have to answer to somebody. If you follow the law and you follow your heart and you follow your mind and use common sense, you'll be all right. And that's how I've always lived, and that's how I've always judged people. I give you a chance. I'll give you a chance if I can to give you rehabilitation, community service, whatever program you might need, because everyone is not at the same level. So you have to meet people where they are.
You know, listening to you, like I said, love everything that you're saying, but a lot of our listeners, first time again, is hearing all these different things. So your law experience is how many years?
Almost 10 years as a defense attorney.
Okay, and you said you was a former deputy. How many years you had there?
Almost 10 years as a deputy sheriff, and police officer at UAB and Fairfield. So you're looking at about almost 20 years in law enforcement.
So I'm gonna ask you this question since we're talking about the law enforcement side, because deputies and sheriffs and police, they don't get a good rap here. So I hear you talking as I'm a judge and I'm gonna do this, y'all. This is what I'm gonna do. Okay? But did you do this, Attorney Lee, when you was a deputy? Were you as fair as you talking about now? Can I go around and ask your other people that you worked with back in the day was he this tough, but was he fair? And if they didn't lie to him, did he give them a fair chance?
They would tell you most definitely yes.
You said that too quick.
They would tell you most definitely yes. Sandy Lee was one of those officers that really gave you a chance. He understood the streets. He understood people. He was a country boy, but when he came out and worked, he kind of gave a man and took him at face value. As long as you respected me, I could respect you. We could solve the problem without possibly you going to jail. Now, if it come to it and you broke the law and I have to do my job, I would do it, but I would be fair and I'd be polite. I've never made a bad case or a bad call.
In 10 years?
In 20 years.
In 20 years?
Yes, sir.
All right, so if they want to find more information, they need to go out to where now?
You go to leeplace3.com is my website. And you can also follow me on my Facebook, which is Sandy E. Lee.
Okay. You got a lot of families, moms and dads, and you got a lot of young people that's going to be going out and vote on Tuesday. First, I want to take these by categories. I want you to talk to the young people of why they should vote for you, and then we're going to go to the moms and dads why they should vote for you. But the young people, Attorney Lee, let's go to them first. You got the young people standing in front of you right now. I'm sitting here. I got all these other candidates on the ballot. You talking to me right now. I'm 18 years old. I'm 21 years old. Why should I vote for you?
You should vote for me because when you go out to a movie, or you go out to church, or you take your girlfriend out, or you even go to the service station, you can feel assured that there's going to be some type of safety and you're going to get justice. I need to protect you. You need to protect yourself. You need to not feel that every time you go out, there's a possibility of you not coming back because some person that should be behind bars is not behind bars and is walking the street. So if you want, Jefferson County wants to feel protected from those, as we say, predators, then I'm the man to put on the bench to make sure the predators don't roam the street.
All right, now I'm bringing up myself, my mama, my dad, and my uncle, and my cousin. All right, I don't know you. I got a couple other candidates sitting up here, right? Why do I want to vote for you? I don't know you for the first time. Your name is on the list. Talk to me.
You should vote for me if you have children. You should vote for me if you want to feel safe inside the movie theater and inside your churches. You should vote for me if you want to go up to the service station and go in and buy gas and come back and your car is gone. You should vote for me if you don't want to be inside your house and bullets come in there on a place where you live. You have to stop the crime. We have to stop the senseless killings. We have to use common sense on that bench and say, I don't care what his report said, I'm seeing what he's doing, and use my common sense. You have mothers and you have a father, you have a wife, a sister, brother, whoever you have. If something happens to them, you want justice, you want restitution, you want this person brought to trial and to pay the punishment for the crime that he committed. That's what you want. You want protection, you want safety. It's so bad every morning when we turn on the TV, anywhere in Birmingham or Jefferson County, you can count up the number of people being shot. You can even count up the number of police officers getting shot. That was unheard of back in the day when I policed. Police officers getting shot in the numbers that they being shot at. So I guess you could say when they took out corporal punishment and they took out prayer in school, well, this is part of the product that we see that's going on today.
866-551-9933. If you guys want to look up anything else about Attorney Lee, they need to go out to
LeePlace3.com.
All right. He's running for Circuit Court Judge, Place 3. All right, let's lighten the load up a little bit. Let's do some fun stuff here. All right?
That was fun.
I know, but let's lighten it up a little bit. Let's do this here, Attorney Lee, so our listeners can get a feel for you. Family favorite movie?
Family favorite movie probably would be, I guess I love Animal House.
Animal House?
Yeah.
Is that daddy's favorite movie or the family favorite movie?
My daughter's favorite movie is 16 Candles.
Okay.
I think my wife's favorite movie is Con Air.
Okay. Okay.
I'm a Western guy. I like Clint Eastwood.
Okay. All right. I'm going to put you on the spot here because she's sitting up in here and she's looking at you.
Yes.
What's your wife's favorite dish that you like to eat?
She likes spaghetti and meatball.
And what's the favorite one that you like to eat that your wife cooks?
I'm a steak man.
You're a steak man?
Potato, yes, sir.
Your wife cook a mean steak?
She can cook a mean.
All right, guys. Before we get out of here, Attorney, I want you to do us a favor. We're going to give you the airways for the next minute or so. And tell Birmingham, Alabama, why they should vote for you on Tuesday.
People of Jefferson County, you should vote for me because I'm a man that stands for honesty, integrity, and equality. I'm a man who has been serving Jefferson County for almost 30 years, and I would like to continue to serve Jefferson County. If you would like to feel safe in your homes, safe in your cars, safe in your church, safe wherever you go, well then elect Sandy E. Lee Place 3. I will be fair, but I will be firm. I would make sure that the laws of Alabama are followed and not written by the judges on the bench. I'd make sure that the people that come before me are treated with respect and they're treated with dignity. That whether they be guilty or innocent, when they come in front of me. That's not my job to determine if they're guilty or innocent. It's the job of the defense attorney and the prosecutor to prove their case to me to see which way that I would decide according to the law. Get out, come out and vote. I need your prayers first because I'm not a politician. This is my first race. And whether I win or lose, the Lord is going to feed me tomorrow because he fed me yesterday. I've always been Sandy Lee. I've never been a political campaign or been a politician. I don't like that word. I'm just a man that want to do the job and that can do the job. And you can trust me. You can take it to the bank.
866-551-9933. I want to thank you for stopping by. Dylan, you heard everything he had to say. Your thoughts, man?